So, ito na yung aking hinihintay. Mga buwan din na talagang inimagine ko to na dumating na. Ayan siya. So, bubuksan na natin siya. And, sana wag ako madismaya kung ano man yung nasa loob. Ito yung sakit ko. Actually, mahilig ako sa mga ganito. Actually, I can use this naman. Because this is part of my hobby. Tara! Nakita nyo na, guys. Tara! Sasabihin na naman ang asawa ko na naman. Actually, yung last one ko, yung D7200 na ginagamit ko is now 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 years na, actually. 5 years na yung isa ko. So, this is one of the latest. And yung nagustuhan ko kasi dito, guys, dito, sa ano na to, is yung kanyang zoom. Yung zoom nito ay aabot ng 3,000 meter. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya. So, yung parang feel mo ng bata ka ulit. Ito yung kanyang handle. And, ito yung sa battery ba to? Tingnan natin, guys. Tingnan natin. Ayun! 24 to 3,000 meter siya, guys. So, meron siyang screen dito. So, I don't know kung asan pa yung on nito. Hintayin lang natin. Wait lang. Yung kanyang zoom pala ay yung zoom pala niya ay hindi removable. So, ooh! It looks amazing. Ay, wala pa palang battery. So, the battery is, what is this? What's inside here? Okay. Ito yung kanyang part. Ito yung ilalagay dito. Oh my goodness. Exciting. And this is the battery. I don't know kung papareho ba ito ng battery dun sa isa. Ito yung battery niya. I know exactly where it is. So, kasi I'm really a big fan of Nikon. And all my DSL camera is Nikon. I have once, bakit tayo pumasok? I have once Sony Cybershot and I gave it to my sister. Ay, ito pala yung on niya, guys. Hindi pala siya pareho dun sa isa ko. I mean, dun sa tatlong nauna kong camera na Nikon din. Yung on and off niya, guys, ay dito. Ito, meron siyang sariling button. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan, oh. So, let's check on it. Bakit tayo? I have to. Kailangan ko ma-familiarize ito, guys. So, English? Touch ba to? Okay. Choose time zone, yes. Madrid, Paris, Berlin. Let's say this one. Date format. Month, day, year. Now is, ano ba ngayon? March 2. Month is 2. No, 2. And day is also 2. And 2021. Anong oras na? It's 2:26. No. 2:26. Set up na natin agad, guys. 2:26. Okay. Use auto. Yes. Oh, yun. Yeah, wala pala siyang memory card. So, I'm going to take one from a camera. I have, oh my god, tignan mahulog. I've got this one kasi this is D7200 and this is with built-in Wi-Fi, so it's really nice. This one is also really nice. This is 5 years old already and I have extra lens for it. This is 55 to 200 meters, and this one is already, I would say, if this is 5 years old, this is more than 5 years old already. And this one, I'm planning to give it away to my younger sister in Boracay. So, I have to check. Asan nga ba yung memory nito? Okay, I have to check. Kasi itong maliit na to, this is the 200. Ito yung ginagamit ni Thea and or ni Paul. Kung meron silang mga ganap-ganap, if they go like, bakasyon, and gusto nilang hiramin yung camera, yan yung pinapahiram ko. Nakalimutan ko saan banda yung card nito. On the side? Huh? Yeah. Ito pala. So, 16G yung nakalagay dito. And this one, guys, had 2. Dalawa yung memory card niya. One is, I'm using the 64. Yung 64 ay ilipat ko dito. And, tanggalin ko yung 16 dito. Palitan ko siya. Yung 4 yung ilalagay ko dito. So, actually, ayan. So, let's check on it. I have to check kung saan nakalagay yung kanyang memory card. Somehow, this is a kind of joke. I mean, this big. You know, I mean, tapos yung kanyang zoom pala ay not removable. Or, I don't know if tama ako na hindi siya natatanggal. It looks like. Now, I'm looking for, ayun. Yung kanyang memory ay andito din pala sa side. Ayun lang. So, I don't know kung tama. Ganyan. So, on ulit natin. Pero dito kailangan ko talagang pag-aralan to. Ha? Ganun lang? Ayan. Nasaan yung kanyang? I really have to read the manual of this to learn about what is it again. Ito yung mic niya. So, I think ito sa gilid ay yung kanyang zoom. Oh my god. So, ngayon so, ganun lang pala siya. Ang kaso mo, how is the focus of this? Tingnan natin. Oh my god. Menu. Image size. Huwag mo na yan, huwag mo na. Balik tayo sa menu. Image quality. Raw. Yeah. Image size. Okay. Ako makahanap yung ano. Menu. Oh, this really I have to learn pa. Teka lang. Hold on. Ito pala siya. So, ito yung kanyang zoom, guys. Dito siya. Ayun, oh. So, nasa, ano na siya? 3,000 meters. Ganun siya kalaki. So, meron tayong pag-aaralan ulit. May nigute. Na-sit up ko na siya. So, sit up lang muna. Ito yung kanyang charger. Ito ba yung kanyang charger? Ayan. USB. Like how? How are you gonna charge the USB? So, pag ganun. Yung pag-charge ng battery niya, I think is... No, this is when you connect the thing to... How are you gonna connect the battery then? Ayan. Ayan. Pag-set up ng kanyang battery, guys. On, off. So, what do you mean by that? The battery doesn't need to take off? Or, How is it gonna work? Ganun ay baliktad. Yep. So, ayan. And then, yung pag-charge nito ang challenging. Ayan. Oh my lord. Power on lamp, charge lamp. Okay. So, the battery, ang battery ay hindi na kailangang tanggalin. Ito yung kanyang pag-charge. Ganyan. So, let me check na natin. Hold on guys, hold on. Meron akong merong outlet dito. Try natin siyang isaksak doon. If it's sigurado ako sa sasabihin ng asawa ko nito na naman. So, try na natin kung ma-charge siya. If it's charging. Hindi ko alam kung the battery is charging. I think. Ngayon, ang tanong dito ay kung paano. Touch ba to? Parang hindi. Right on, menu. Display. Yeah. How to view ba? Airplane mode, choose connection. Connection to remote. Yeah. The other menu is the option, some microphone. On. Electronic VR, autofocus. Single. Movie option. Yeah. Ayan yung wifi na sa gilid. Mahirap to guys, ang bigat. Just connections and the shooting. Oh, yeah. But okay. Kailangan ko pa itong pag-aralan guys. So, sa ngayon, ay hanggang dyan na lang muna ang ating pag-unboxing. At I still have to read the, yung kanyang, tawag niyan, manual. Kailangan muna nating pag-aralan. Kasi, ano siya, malaking kaibahan niya dito sa, dito. And doon din sa isa. So, I really have to learn first. So, check na natin ulit. Ang kaso lang, ay hindi ko alam ngayon kung saan ko hahanapin para ma-view yung picture. Display? Would it be the display? Display and then menu? Hindi rin. Time zone, monitor settings, image review on, framing, monitor option. Okay. On, fire horizontal. So, date stamp. digital. Sometimes not works. Control ring option. Sound settings. Shutter sounds on, yeah. Auto off, format 9. Charger, charged by computer. Image, comment, 9. Copyright. Yeah. Saan yan? Location. I really don't know where to find the pictures, guys. No. Of course not. Check natin yung